Welcome back, everyone, to OpenLine. We are talking with Gabriela Lira, real estate broker here in Nashville. And this is our last segment. And so, Gabriela, I want to ask you, how much more are prices going to go up, in your opinion?
Well, let me pull up my crystal ball. We don't know. We don't know how much more prices are going to go up, but we are consistently seeing them go up month after month. So if you are on the fence thinking that prices are going to come down, buy now.
Wow, buy now. And I'm blown away by what you just said about that Bellevue house. All right, that's a regular house. What about luxury houses? What are we seeing in Nashville with luxury houses?
So luxury houses, although they are not moving as quickly as other homes, there is still a lot of demand. It is still a seller's market within the $3 to $5 million price point.
Good grief. That's amazing. And all right, let's talk about tips. If you want, let's say I'm thinking about selling my house. What are 5 things I should be doing?
I am still a big believer that you should get your home market ready. So depersonalize, declutter, stage, do all the repairs and touch of paint that needs to be done so that your home looks absolutely fabulous, because 90% of buyers start their home search online. So they fall in love with your house based on the photographs. And so hire a great real estate agent that has great resources and a great team so that you can get the best photographer out there on your team. Also for a seller, be prepared. Where are you going next? So have a plan in place. So those are all. Was that 3 or more tips that I just gave you?
Those are good tips. Now, I would think the market is so hot that maybe a seller could get a little cocky and could say, I don't need to make all these repairs and I don't have to paint this house perfectly because I'm going to get 15 offers on it. Is that, what do you think about that?
I'd say that if you're in a situation where you are not able to make the home show ready, then that's one thing. But otherwise, I try to keep my sellers humble and say, give up the home the way in which you would want to receive it.
And what about if you're looking to buy a home right now? What are 5 or 3 things you should be doing?
You should definitely talk to a mortgage broker, a loan officer, to figure out your financials. That's very important. Getting your financial house in order, getting more than pre-approved now. So in the past, you got pre-approved, you had this letter that you submitted with your offer to show the seller that you were credit worthy and there was a bank out there that would lend you money. Now, what lenders are doing to help you compete with cash offers is they're taking you through what's called upfront underwriting. So upfront, they're asking you for income verification, for your tax returns, for all the documentation needed for you to get underwriter approval. And then what they're giving you is a loan commitment letter. And that loan commitment letter a lot of times allows you to close sooner. So some lenders with a loan commitment letter can close as quickly as 10 business days. So a cash offer, the great things about that is that they can close very quickly, no finance contingency. Well, this helps you compete with cash offers because now, since you gave the lender all your verification up front, you are able to close more quickly, and the bank says they're committed to lending you the money.
Very interesting. Well, Gabriela Lira, thank you so much for coming on. Real estate broker in Nashville with Compass Realty. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you for having me. I had a lot of fun.
Yes, this is great. All right, we'll take a break, wrap everything up right after this.